Hello guys, Sorin Constantin here. I welcome you to the next lecture from the course Affiliate Marketing Hacking, the 5 steps fast track method. We are near the end of the course, and I am very glad that we have reached this point. In this lecture, we will talk about how to optimize your efforts and maximize the results for long term, because the method that you have learned in this course will actually help you make money very fast from affiliate commissions on a short term, but you can also use it to create long-term results. Now, the principles are very simple. The first thing that you have to do is to profit from the traffic that you generated during launches to build an internet marketing niche email list. Practically during launches, as you have seen, it's created a massive amount of traffic that goes to your reviews, and just a percentage of those people, maybe 10%, will actually buy the product. Okay, the rest of them just come to your website and leave your website. What will happen with them? It's a pity not to profit from their visit on your website. So what you can do is to create a lead magnet as a giveaway, and even create a special landing page or opt-in page into your website, where people can subscribe to your email newsletter. And I will show you an example how we did that on our website. We have like a small tool in our website. In the upper part of the website is like a small bar where people can subscribe to our newsletter, and we have also created a lead magnet, like a bonus on a specific niche that we give away, and we incentivize people to take it by leaving their email addresses on our website. So this is how we collect our email addresses, and I will show you an example of how we are doing that on our website. Obviously you can use different tools for collecting emails. There are a lot of plugins out there, but I recommend you ManyContacts. It's an awesome tool. HelloBar, it's very similar. Then you can use pop-ups when people enter on your website. In order for them to read the information, they have to subscribe to the email list, so the pop-up to disappear. Or you can use exit pop-ups. Okay, practically exit pop-ups are pop-ups that appear to people when they are preparing to exit your website. So that way you can practically save a lot of people that would otherwise come for nothing on your website. Okay, and if you can create a system that gets you maybe like 10% opt-in rate, or even 5% opt-in rate, for example, from 100 people that maybe visit your website in a day, 5 will leave you their email addresses. That means like 150 person every single month. That means that in 1 year you will have more than 1,700 people, and that can mean for you more than 1,500 more dollars every single month, because as you guys know, the value of one subscriber to an email list, if used correctly, it's of $1 per month. So you can get awesome results with this. Now let me show you a little bit an example how we've used this tool on our website. So now we are on our website, on one of our reviews from the website, and as you can clearly see here in the sidebar, we have created like a lead magnet, this bonus tycoon pack. Okay, and is created this opt-in form where people leave their name and their email address to get from us this bonus pack. Okay, it's a free download. This is created with a plugin for WordPress that is related to MailChimp. Okay, it works with MailChimp, the email service, and it's actually very easy to use. You will find, if you go to the plugin section in your WordPress admin dashboard, you will see, you will have in that menu in your left part, you will have a plugin section. You can find many plugins that you can use to integrate with your email service and create opt-in forms like this in your sidebars or wherever you want. Then another thing that we have done to help ourselves build an email list is integrate at the end of each article this small simple opt-in form. Okay, where people can, if people leave their name here and their email address, we will send them their bonus. So also at the end of each article we have this, and this help us build our email list from the traffic that gets on our website. Also, another tool that you can use, and I've showed you already in the slides, it's manycontacts.com, and ManyContacts will add a bar exactly like this one on their website, in the upper part of your website, where people can actually type in their email address and submit to your email list. So this is actually a very cool tool that you can use. It's almost the same principle at Hello Bar, but when you first enter on a website that has many contacts bar integrated, you will see that on the screen will appear like on a black background, like a call to action. Okay, subscribe to our email list to get that, or something like that. You will see it's actually a very cool and very helpful tool for you guys to use. So remember this address. You will have it also at the end of the lecture in the resource page, manycontacts.com. I will see you. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and I will see you further on in the video. Now, I thank you very much for your attention, guys, and I will see you in the next lecture. It will be the final one, and I am very glad that I'm here with you and that you went through the whole course. Now I'm waiting to see your results and to see you get action. Bye bye, guys. I will see you in the next lecture.